Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. In this session, we'll learn the third category of verb, re-ending verbs. In this category of verb, there are three simple steps to conjugate them. First, write all the subject pronouns. Then by removing re, we'll get the root or the base of the verb. Finally, add the appropriate ending to each subject pronoun. Let's take an example of a re-ending verb.
Wander,
To sell. Subject pronouns. Base of the verb. Endings of the verb. Conjugated form of the verb.
wander. Je won, tu won, il, elle wand. Nous vendons, vous vendez, il, elle wand.
There are some irregular re-ending verbs which do not have the same base or root as regular ones, but the endings will remain same. Let's take an example.
Prendre,
To take. Subject pronouns. Base of the verb. Endings of the verb. Conjugated form of the verb.
prendre. Je prends, tu prends, il, elle prend. Nous prenons, vous prenez, il, elle prennent.
'20 most important re-ending verbs list.
Attendre,
To wait.
entendre,
To hear.
descendre,
To descend.
répondre,
To answer.
perdre,
To lose.
dépendre,
To depend.
rendre,
To give back or to return. Verbs conjugated as prendre.
comprendre,
To understand.
apprendre,
To learn.
surprendre,
To surprise.
reprendre,
To take back.
entreprendre,
To understand or to initiate.
méprendre.
To be mistaken. Here are some exercises to practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow us.